During our playing together with Pavel, we found out that we really like to be in an improvisation, in a stream of rhythm, and just be excited how it evolved by itself, also by confrontation and by interaction with audience. So after more than a year of playing gigs together, we realized that the strongest in our music is live improvisation and our interaction with the audience and with dance, with the energy which comes out of us, and it's joining the energy of the people. So our concert, it's kind of like a long wave of energy. It's using all kind of dynamics.
Hudba je pro mě hodně o pocitech. Je to život. Jsou v ní emoce. Je to na rozdíl od třeba malování. Živá komunikace.
It's still worth it. I did be worth it for the second half. It was beautiful. It took me to many different places, I would say, and just to stay with the two guys for 60 minutes and to like be part of what they're doing on the stage with the sound and feelings and colors and the rhythms and everything. It was just a beautiful experience, and I would recommend it to anyone who wants to leave for a bit and leave the shoes on here or there and go somewhere else for a bit. Then this is definitely an experience to go through.
Dynamika strašně, jak to jde nahoru, dolů, společně. Úžasný, moc se mi to líbí.
Člověk má možnost hned si vyzkoušet, co před lidmi předvádí, s těmi lidmi. Mám ji moc rád a byl bych moc rád. Kdybych ji mohl dělat furt, dokud to půjde. Myslím si, že to je jedna z věcí, které na světě má smysl. Snažit se rozdávat radost jiným a sám z toho mít.